This next tune was written, recorded by the late great Blind Boy Fuller. We'd like to do our version of it. This tune is entitled The Pistol Slapper Blues. But you stretched out across my bed, see the moonshine whiskey talking all out of your head. Well, I feel like snapping my pistol in your face, and I'll let some red dot be your resting place. Ain't but two kind of people in this world that I can stand. There's a lying woman and a cheap monkey man. Won't you give me money, baby, catch a train and go? No, you don't want me hanging around your door. That's why I choose to move along. Resting place. Won't you give me money, baby, catch a train and go? No, you don't want to hang around the door. That's why I choose to move along. Well, I know my dog, and we're all here in bar. You know my rider for feeling in the dark. Well, I know my dog, and we're all here in bar. You know my rider for feeling in the dark. Well, I know my rider, and you will know her too. I know my rider for feeling in the dark. So keep your hands off her. Keep your hands off her. Keep your hands off her. Keep your fingers off. Keep your hands off her. Won't you hear what I say? Hear what I say right now. Well, her name is Daisy, and she drives me crazy. Well, her name is Daisy. She's driving me crazy. Well, her name is Daisy. Won't you hear what I say? Won't you hear what I say right now? Her name is Polly. She's got a sister Dolly. Her name is Polly. She's got a sister Dolly. Well, her name